Cloudy day. It's a cloudy day today. Yeah, fall is here. It's here. And the time it's 9:11. Yeah, get that. October the 10th, Friday today. Okay. We're at 55 degrees. Air quality is fair. It's at 36. And we're going to be all in the 60s all week. And at nights, it'll be in the 40s. And alright. And the sky is going to clear up at night from 8 p.m. till around, checking the weather, okay, till around 2 a.m. Okay. Well, keep your eyes in the skies. Keep looking up. Fall is here. Alright. I'll talk to y'all later. Yeah, I'll keep this a short one. Post comments below. Hit that like button. Keep your eyes in the skies.